Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited, really excited for this episode. As you know, this is my current obsession as of the moment and I just couldn't really help myself. So if you have tuned in, you know what you're up to because for today, we are going to do, guys, as you can see, so these are just some of them. We are going to have another Popmart LABUBU unboxing. Yes, so I have a couple of boxes here that have already arrived. And if you have enjoyed our unboxing from a couple of weeks ago, you are going to definitely enjoy this. So I'm inviting you guys to stay tuned until the end of our episode. And happy unboxing! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subs this year. Every new subscription, guys, I would really appreciate it. We are almost there. We can do it. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, this is my new obsession. This is now my thing. I just really couldn't help myself. As we know, worldwide it's very difficult to find yourself being able to purchase the LABUBU monsters, the macaron, or the Have a Seat. And if you could find one on the in retail price direct from Popmart, I feel it is such an accomplishment. Maybe that is one thing that makes me really excited about this one. So anyways, let us start with the unboxing first. So I have here two. So this one I purchased for my friend in the US. So this is her third and fourth LABUBU from me. I would be delivering it to her by February. And I'm just so happy that I'm able to share this joy to my friend. And I've asked her permission if I could open the box for her and just show you the card, and she happily said yes. So first we have the macaron or the Have a Seat LABUBU over here. So here we have my Have a Seat. So currently I have three, and of course I have my Coca-Cola, which was so amazing, guys. I hope you have seen the unboxing of that one. So I have just sliced open the bottom part of the bag or the box, and of course we have here the packaging. So this one, guys, we are not going to open because I want to share this experience with my friend in the US. But the card that we have here, okay, she's fighting and doesn't want me to show it to you. So the very first one, here we have Hehe over here. So can you see? So this one, I have Hehe already in my collection, and this is what's inside. So Hehe actually is one of my favorite color. And the very first macaron that I purchased is the color light gray. As you can see, this one, I have the macaron in light gray. So I love the color gray. So now let us move on to the second box. So we have here a macaron, exciting macaron. So this is the version 1. I purchased this one direct from the Popmart store. So again, I have asked permission to share it to you. So here I have sliced it open, and she got a, so this is her second version 1 macaron. So this is the bag, or I would not be opening it. And of course the card. So she got, oh okay, so she got sesame bean there. So she got sesame bean. And if I'm not mistaken, sesame bean is this one. It's the same as what I currently have. So this one, as mentioned, is one of my favorite. And I'm so happy that she is able to get her very own sesame bean because I love the neutral color, the light gray color of this LABUBU monster. Super, super cute. Now let us move on to my own boxes. Alright, so we are going to unbox 3. So we have 2 exciting macarons. And of course, we have Crying Again. So if I'm not mistaken, these 2 I purchased online from Popmart store, from Popmart online store, and my Crying Again I purchased from the Popmart boutique or pop-up store at Mall of Asia. So what should we unbox first, guys? I'm confused right now. So let us do this one first. One this, and then maybe this, and then one macaron. What do you think? So there, so let us try to open. So I have not seen this one, so alright. And of course, I would not want to see the card and, you know, spoiling the, oh, okay. So no cards, okay. So this one, guys, I would also just like to share. Currently, I have 2 macarons. So I have soy milk, and of course, I have sesame bean. So among these 6, what I am wanting to get would be sea salt coconut, and I want to get toffee. So these 2 is okay, but of course I would prefer toffee and sea salt caramel, and of course the secret. Definitely the secret would be nice if we are going to get that. So here's the packaging. So I'm sure everyone is familiar. Just look at him, really really cute. There, let us unbox. 3, 2, 1. Again, with the not so good ripping of the packaging. So I'm not looking up. So 3, 2, 1 together. Wait, who is she? Oh my god. Wait, who is she? This is different. Yes. Oh my god. Oh no. Yes. Oh my god. Yay. So we have here sea salt coconut. Okay, so she is one of my wish, as you can see. Oh my god, she's so cute. Let us compare her, guys. Wait, just one moment. Let me just compare her. So firstly, let me take a look. Oh my god. Oh wow, she's really cute, guys. Okay. Oh, how cute. Wow. She's kind of different a little bit, or is it just me? But look at her. She's really cute. And of course, comparing it to my current macaron here, the gray one. So this one, as you can see. Also, I think now I have the perfect combination. So this is like the counterpart from the Have a Seat. So this one, super super cute. I really love this one. I love the color. She's still in the neutral gray colorway. I love the bluish gray nose of sea salt. There, sea salt, what's her name? Sea salt coconut. Wow, super cute. And of course, the arms. You could move the arms like this. And of course, the feet. The arms are kind of long compared to the other ones that we have. So this one is super cute. I really, really love it. And that is a good unboxing. First good unboxing of a macaron. Now let us move on to the other ones. Yay! Super happy with this. Alright, that was fun. So I am deciding, guys, that we are going to do the second macaron over here. So let us pray. So now we have soy milk. We have sesame bean, we have sea salt coconut. So I'm praying that we are going to get, of course, Sophie, the secret, lychee berry. Yen already has. We don't have the green grape as well. So hopefully this is not a dupe. What do you think? So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have the packaging over here. Let me just remove if there are any cards on top. Here's the packaging. Give me a good one. Oh, again, I didn't do the packaging right, but I'm not going to look first. Okay, let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Who is she? Wait, I think I have this already, guys. Okay, yes, it's confirmed. It is soy milk, as you can see, but that is okay. This is a good duplicate in my collection, as you can see, because I'm looking at, you know, like for example from resellers, and I'm seeing that the price for soy milk is a lot higher compared to the other ones of the version 1 macaron. So as you can see, but I really do love her, and maybe I could sell this, or maybe I could just keep it, or perhaps I could trade it with Yen, because he has, as mentioned, he has lychee berry. And I remember when I have opened my very first soy milk, I think that was my second unboxing. I can't remember. So when I opened this one, I was so shocked. It's like I have gotten a secret, because I felt that getting soy milk and Sophie are very, very difficult if you are not going to purchase the entire set. So I think for me, guys, as a collector, I wish I did purchase the entire set at the beginning, but as mentioned previously, we are not allowed here in the Philippines. But now, they are getting more stocks online, so we could now purchase as a set. But since I have, how many already, guys? I have 4. So I'm not really sure if I still need to purchase another set of macaron in singles, because I'm afraid that I'll be getting duplicate. But let me just attach her here. So this one is still okay, a good duplicate. So I would be happy because as you know, with the Have a Seat, I have Hehe and no, CC. I have CC on the Have a Seat, and she is the counterpart of Soy Milk over here. How cute, how cute. So these are my two new ones. So what do you think? Loving her, of course. I really do love them, guys. They really do make me happy. Every time I'm staying here, you know, editing vlogs and watching videos, I'll be pulling out my Labubu or any of my pendant plushies, and then I will be just posting them, and I will be playing with them as well. They really do make me happy, guys. So now let us move on to the last one. Alright, so that is the first duplicate, I think, in my collection. So now let us move on to the very last one for the evening. So we have here Crying Again. So aside from the Labubu monster, I am in love with the Crying Again series. As you know, I already have two, and I have the Power Pop version. So I have this. So hopefully, so currently in my collection, what I have is, of course, I have her. I'll give you all my love. And of course, my dear friend, my sissy, gave me Docu. So Docu is this orange one. So I really, really love that as well. So now let us do a true blind unboxing again. So, okay. Okay, so the box is quite easy to open. So here, let me just tap it so the cards would fall down. Here we have the final unboxing. Ooh, okay. Touching. So which one do I like? Actually, anything, guys. Anything as long as it is not duplicate. That is my the scary part of not purchasing the entire set. So anything but the duplicate. Anything but the duplicate. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let us do this together. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh, guys, it's a duplicate. Oh no. What should I do? So I have two of these, and then I have two of this one, Soy Milk. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this one, I'm not really sure. So maybe I'm going to sell her. What do you think? But again, this one is one of the higher price Crying Again series. So I'm going to check if I could sell her, but it's okay maybe if I would be keeping her in my collection. So let me just show you that I have two already. Oh my god, that's so funny. The day is not a lucky day, guys. So this is the original. This is the new one. What do you think? So they're the same. They're still super cute. They're still super cute. What do you think? Maybe if I'm not going to sell it, how fun it would be if I would be attaching them on my bag, you know, as a twin like this, right? That could be an option. So what do you think of our unboxing for today, guys? Kindly comment down below. Here you go, guys. So here are the three Labubu monsters plus Crying Again that I got for today. So of course, this one is a jackpot because I don't have her. So she is the sea salt coconut, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, my duplicate, my twin. So I have Soy Milk over here. And then of course, I have I'll Give You All My Love. So even though these are duplicate, I still really do love them. And I've already asked, so when I paused the video, I've already asked Yet if he wanted to trade this for one of his Labubu, which is lychee berry, and he agreed, so that is okay. So still she would still be within the family, and then I get to keep the lychee berry. So now I only have one problem, which is her. So I might try to sell. I'm not really sure at this point, but definitely I still do love them, and this would not deter me from getting more, adding more to my collection, because honestly, guys, I have just purchased just today an exclusive limited edition Labubu monster. I can't wait. So it's just today, so it would take a couple of weeks before it arrives, and once it arrives, of course, we are going to do another unboxing. Yay! So did you enjoy our unboxing episode for today, guys? Hopefully you did. So if you are a fan of the Labubu or Popmart or anything that is cute and plushy, kindly comment down below and which one is your favorite for today. If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a lipstick emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!